Today's recipe is batata vada. It's called potato dumpling. This one very easy to make it and very tasty one, very yummy. And this is in India, in Bombay. It's called street food. Very famous street food, batata vada. Everyone knows is a famous name, batata vada. Okay friends, I'm going to show it to you all how to make batata vada, Bombay street food. Today's recipe is batata vada. It's called potato dumpling in English. For that, the ingredients are: this is 1 cup of gram flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Cornstarch is optional if you like, if you use it, but it will be the vadas makes very crispy. I'm going to add half teaspoon each chili powder and salt, and I'm going to add pinch of hing and make batter and keep it ready. Other ingredients, so for the filling, for the dumpling, so these 4 potatoes are boiled and kept it ready, and 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, pinch of hing, few fresh curry leaves and fresh coriander leaves, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. For the special masala for the fillings is 4 cloves of garlic, 4 small pieces of ginger, couple of green chilies. I'm going to finely crush and keep it ready. Pan on stove, I'm adding oil, 2 tablespoon oil, adding mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are crackling. I'm adding hing powder, curry leaves, the curry leaves done. I'm adding this garlic, ginger, green chili paste, add some turmeric powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Just cook for 1 minute. Now add potatoes. Masala and potatoes cook for just 2 minutes. Just mash with a spoon. 2 minutes. Now add fresh coriander leaves. Mix. Check the salt. If you wish more, you can add more salt now to this stage. Just mash little bit with a spoon. The stuffing is ready. I'm putting side so it has to become a cold. While stuffing is cooling, so I'm going to make the batter ready. Gram flour, salt and chili powder. Cornstarch. Just mix. Add water. Batter should not be too thick, just a pouring consistency. I think this is right consistency for the batter. Look. Batter is ready, just keep it side. Now, dough mixture is cold, making like a small ball. So we're going to dip in there and deep fry. Make like a small lemon size balls. Make it and keep it ready all. All the potatoes, dumpling balls are kept it ready. Batter is ready. Wok on stove. I added oil. Oil is becoming hot. I'm going to check whether oil is hot. So I'm going to just dropping small. It came up. So the oil is hot. Now I'm going to drop the dumpling one at a time. Just put dumpling one at a time. Just pull it like this and drop them in the oil. Now flame should put medium flame. Taking care, friends. Just wait for 1 minute and then turn slowly. This potato dumpling you can serve with a green chutney or chili chutney, chili sauce. Will be very tasty. Serving for the kids, they can eat with the tomato ketchup also. Will be very tasty. Cook on medium flame. 1 or 2 times. These are bits came from when I'm dropping things, so you just remove them. Potatoes are cooking now 4 to 5 minutes. They are nearly golden in color. Look, it's ready now. I'm removing the kitchen paper. So repeat the rest of the things. Put the dumpling in there. Drop them in the hot oil. The next batch is getting ready. Just take off these ones because it's thin batter, no? So these are drops. They are very crispy. You can eat them. 2 minutes more. Turn one more time. These also done. Chilies. Be careful when you are frying green chilies. Yummy, yummy. Batata vada recipe is ready. Green chutney also is ready. Hope you all going to like it. There is yummy, yummy batata vada potato dumpling recipe is ready. You can serve with the green chutney or chili sauce. Will be very tasty. I'm garnishing with this is some fried chilies I fried earlier. Very tasty, yummy. Look how nice it's looking. Just take some green chutney, dip in the green chutney. For that I need some coriander leaves. I'm dropping in the jar, grinder, couple of green chilies, some salt to taste. I'm going to squeeze half of the fresh lemon and 1 tablespoon yogurt. So I'm going to blend and show it you all. Ready? So Pouring it to the bowl. Me tasty batata vada, a potato dumpling recipe is ready. Hope you all going to like it. If you all like, please do not forget to like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.